Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I f***ed up. I got so involved. I finished the car and well, like, it just looks so good. But I broke something and it happens to be the rear bumper. So I need another bracket right here, another bracket right here, and then it's gonna be good. But you know what? No one's ever really bumpered to leave the 720, and I kind of feel like it fits. You definitely can. Like we can do something special right there, right now. But
stop at the license plate right over there.
That's our stainless steel exhaust line. Tony, get in there real quick. Just give me some revs. Don't drive away. This car is no longer for sale. It's now exactly the perfect car for me because it sounds like a F1 car and it's awesome. So let's go drive. Variable drift control, please. Yes, and let's just take this to the max. Thank you.
All right.
So much traffic.
Biggs is back open.
Jesus Christ!
God, this car is fast.
It's way faster than before.
Oh my God.
Woo! Got gunshots now.
Jesus.
Why do you not have a rift exhaust on your car? Honestly. Like, you have a McLaren without a rift exhaust? You're an idiot. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh, dang. These people don't know anything about exhaust.
Wow.
Gotta have my trademark shifts.
Holy.
All right, let's have some fun. Let's get this traction control off here. Can't crash because I don't have a seatbelt on.
No, we're not gonna crash. Anti-crash.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh my God! Spins through all.
Oh my God.
I want to show you. I want to go back,
my God.
and I want to show you the tire marks. Just too fast. Just too fast. Okay. How amazing a 720 is, but you know what, to be honest, how do I go from a Veyron to a 720? I mean, yes, I own that car, but it was a rental car, and then, you know, we bought it back because it was a pretty good opportunity for me to just take a time break and just fix something. You know, every once in a while, you just need a little bit of time for yourself. And you know, before I started Royalty, I just loved fixing shit in my garage. And once Royalty came, you know, I was the original mechanic, and you know, everybody helped me out, Jesse and Andy and all the guys around here. It's always nice to just get back and just not think about business. But now that it's over, this car is gonna be for sale, and I actually already sold it to a really cool guy. Rudy bought it. He's super cool. He came in, he saw it today. Unfortunately, it was not ready. It was supposed to be ready today, but the freaking bumper, man. So bummed out. So tomorrow I'm gonna take him for a ride, and he's gonna be the first owner of a stainless steel full rift exhaust system. And anybody watching this, you guys, if you have a McLaren, all the McLarens basically sound the same. The 4-liter motors of the 720 sound way better. So that gets to my next point. You know, the Bugatti game, I don't know, I like the Bugattis. It's my favorite car, but I kind of like to just switch through them a lot. So I was thinking about maybe putting this one for sale. I got a potential project coming on another car. It's not a done deal yet, so I'm not gonna reveal it, but Sennas are about 750,000 bucks, guys. And a straight pipe Senna, what do you think if I switched my Veyron for a straight pipe Senna? Not a bad idea. And maybe once I got tired of it, I could actually rent a Senna. I can't rent a Veyron because Veyrons, I mean, this panel here costs more than this whole car, right? So we can't really do that. If you take it out and you dent the panel, can't really replace it. I've got some of the only spare parts for Bugattis in the whole country, in the world even. And that's not a risk I'm willing to take. So this is a good marketing car. It's a good personal car. It's a good car to drive around for the special Saturday nights. But at the end of the day, not renting that. But a Senna intrigues me, right? When Sennas were $1.5 million or $1.2 million, $1.1 million, $1,900,000, $800,000, I think they bottomed in the mid-sevens. I don't think I see a Senna lower than that, and my SF90 doesn't come till February, so I've got this interim time, right? My SF90 is sick, by the way. Looks a lot like this. But at the same time, I think a Senna is in the future. It's time to end this video. I'm just rambling. I'm all excited. I'm all out of breath. I feel like I was like running. That's how fast I was driving. I feel like I was literally just going so fast. So anyways, Rift Exhaust, okay? Subscribe to the channel to see more cool stuff that we do, and like the videos because we do cool shit. That's it.